Here's how to insert a signature in Google Docs. Let's get started. First, open your Google Docs document and place your cursor exactly where you want your signature to appear. Now go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Drawing and then click on New. A drawing box will open. Wait for it to load, then go to the toolbar at the top. Click on the Line tool, then select Scribble from the options. Now, simply draw your signature using your mouse or touchpad. Once you're done, release it and your signature will appear. You can customize it as well. From the top menu, you can change the line color and adjust the thickness to make it look more natural. After finishing, click on Save and Close. Your signature will now be added to the document. You can click on it to resize it using the corner handles or move it around freely. If needed, you can also change text wrapping options so it fits perfectly in your document. That's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.